Hello Scorpios, how you guys doing? Welcome to a Soul Tarot prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers? One important thing, guys, this is the reading for desire, direction, and detail. Okay, what is the thing? One thing that you are desiring. Is your direction, and what is the detail to put about it? Okay, and but before that, I just want to tell you that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the donation link via PayPal and Google Pay, you can donate. I'll be appreciating it. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to help us uh, with your personal bookings, if you want to book a personal reading related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to learn online tarot learning workshop, if you want to join our session for 10 days online tarot learning workshop, you can definitely. Okay, uh, the details are given in the description box below. You can on enroll for our sessions, that is via WhatsApp video calls. Okay, the learning will be done. Okay, and last but not the least, I just want to tell you, if you want to participate in our soul giveaway, the details are given in the description box below. For that, you have to like my channel, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to comment down below, you have to comment hashtag Vasool giveaway for the same. Okay, so yes guys. Okay, and that's it. uh, One more important thing, guys, I'm doing live sessions, daily live sessions between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. If you want to join me live between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time, then you can. And uh, on daily basis from Monday to Sunday. Okay, on my Facebook page, Vasool Tarot Prediction. Okay, let me check it out. What's going on with you guys? What is the thing that you are desiring, Scorpions? What is the direction of it, and what is the detail you should go about? Okay. Desire, direction, and detail. Your desire is King of Cups, your energy. Wow. Your direction is transformation. Nice cards. Your detail, let me check it out. Your detail is Seven of Swords. Let me check it out. What is your uh, desire? Okay, like what is your, what is that one particular thing you're desiring? Okay, cards are blowing like anything. Good. Eight of Wands, King of Wands, fire energy. King of Swords. A lot of King of Swords are there, guys. Let me clarify. What sort of communication? Communication of what? Okay. King of Swords. For what? All types of energies are there. Okay, so you are desiring some sort of let me take these cards here. I hope this is visible to you. Okay, so you have to regain your power. Okay, regain your own power back. Okay, waiting for some sort, you are desiring for some sort of an offer to from someone, some sort of an offer. This offer will be related much, it will be dependent more on a communication level, or else a movement, a sort of traveling, or else a sort of communication. Okay, so you are desiring an offer, and highly, you are thinking about it a lot. You are being highly intuitive. Your intuition level is very strong when it comes to this sort of an offer. Okay, you might be dealing with a fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aries, or else you are dealing with some sort of an air sign, or else you are dealing with some sort of water sign. Okay, so yeah, so some sort, your desire is to gain a lot of deal. Your desire is to be, you're waiting for some sort of a deal to be cracked, some sort of an offer, strong offer, which will change a lot of things in your life, I guess. Okay, some, and it will only happen when there is, like, some sort of a movement, some sort of a traveling. You are highly intuitive when it comes to this offer. Okay, there might be a possibility that you have to travel for this particular offer, or the other person or whosoever is giving you this offer, they might be traveling towards you for you by bringing this offer of into your career and your finances. Okay, take it however it resonates. It might be related to relationship or else career, but I feel this is a career reading more. Okay, so let me check it out. Your desire is Page of Pentacles, taking an offer, taking a risk, cracking a deal. Definitely. Let me check it out. What's coming up for you guys? There's 10 of Swords. Okay, your direction. Ending of a bad cycle, bad situation, toxic situation in your finances, into your career life. Ending of some sort of something is happening. Okay, demolishing of a bad cycle or a bad situation and rebuilding of a new cycle and new situation. Okay, yes, and new offer is coming. Your direction is all about movement, to be victorious. You want to be a victorious person when it comes to your career and your finances. Okay, money related things, materialistic world. Okay, yes, I think a lot of internal transformation, internal healing is going on right now with you, and this is not an easy ending because you have 10 of Swords and Tower. So this will be very tough ending. Okay, some sort of an ending is taking place, internal transformation is taking place. Okay, and this won't be that easy, guys. So don't be scared of it. Just allow it to happen, because a lot of abundance, good opportunities are waiting for you after that. Okay, so allow it to happen. Do not resist this ending. Okay, because this ending of betrayal, toxic situation, toxic life, ending of negative things, ending of negative people, everything which was bad into your life, which was going on bad related to career, finances, relationship, those things are ending. Okay, a new beginning is going on. New beginning will take place. So yeah, you are healing, hoping, believing. A lot of healing is going on, internal transformation is going on, and I think universe is guiding you for the same, for this ending to happen. Okay, and I think your direction is to be victorious by cracking a deal. There is some sort of an offer is coming towards you, and if you crack that deal, then you will be victorious towards when it comes to your finances. Let me check it out, the detail for it. Yeah, so there is some sort of juggling is going on. Okay, between two direction, two choices, two options. Okay, and if you choose one, I know you are a wise person. Scorpions are very wise when it comes to taking decision making. So if you choose any one direction, okay, which is suitable for you, okay, then there is a new beginning taking place for you guys. Okay, some sort of juggling is definitely going on. Either might be related to your finances, between two deals, between two people, between two relationships. Something is going on, some juggling is going on between two choices. Okay, and there has to be one decision you need to make for a new beginning into your life. Okay, and once you do this, see the World card. How many transformation card is there? The World, the Tower, and 10 of Swords. Again, there is some karmic cycle is playing its role. There is some divine timing is set up for you. Divine timing will play its role at its own time. Okay, so you just have to wait for it, allow it to happen. Do not resist this change. There has to be some changes coming into your life. Some major changes are coming into your life with a new beginning. Okay, ending of something is happening and beginning of something new is taking place for you guys. Yes, whatever you are manifesting, those will be coming true into your life when it comes to your career, finances, new beginnings, new life. Okay, yes, a lot of an offer is coming, a lot of offer will be coming into your life. Okay, there will be a lot of happiness into your home life, household life, and a lot of money. You will be more focused on your finances, materialistic world a lot. You will be rebuilding your finances. You will be focusing more on rebuilding your directions. And let me tell you guys, if you want to rebuild yourself when it comes to your career and finances, allow this ending to happen. Okay, once this ending happen, a new beginning will take place, and a lot new opportunities, a lot more new deals will be coming into your way. And once those deal you have cracked, a lot of abundance will be coming in. Okay, so this is all about desired direction and the detail of it. Okay, I hope you liked this video. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, one more important thing, guys, during this time I want to make you aware there are a lot of big changes will be happening into your life. You might be going through a lot of confusion, conflicts, questioning yourself, what am I supposed to do, how to move forward. So just relax, don't be scared of it, just relax, because there's something good is coming up for you guys. Okay, so just relax, because there is tarot moment and the world card and the 10 of swords. So a big ending is taking place for you guys, a big transformation, a big change is coming into your life in the upcoming weeks. Okay, guys, so just wait and watch. Yeah, and if you like this video, if you think that this resonated with you, thank you so much. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasoul Tarot Prediction. Thank you so much, guys.